Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change game mode in Block Blast. For that, you will have to launch your Block Blast game, and over here on the home page, you will see two different modes. The first is of the adventure mode and the second one is the classic mode. So let's say you tap on the adventure mode and you were using adventure mode previously, but now you want to go into the classic mode. So you will have to tap on this arrow icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, and once you are on the home page again, you just have to tap on the classic mode. And if you don't like the classic mode, you just have to simply tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and from here you just have to tap on the back option. So from the home page you will be able to basically get access to the game mode, so you can switch between the adventure mode and the classic mode, so you can just use whichever mode you are interested in. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.